If I was to want to name these various quadrilaterals, what you'll observe, as I pointed out in the last video, is that several different names could be used to describe each of these. This first example, could be described as a parallelogram, because this side and this side are parallel, that side and that side are parallel. Or it could be described as a rectangle. It is both a parallelogram and a rectangle, but most restrictively, it is, or most specifically, it is a square. So you can see it says give the most specific name. That means I should call it a square. This one right here, it says that AD is parallel to BC, so this side is parallel to this side. And it doesn't look like there's any other sort of relationships happening here, so this would be a trapezoid. On this one, it doesn't say anything about sides being parallel, but it turns out when we have the two opposite sides like this being the same length and the two opposite sides like this being the same length, then they end up being parallel as well. So this actually would end up being a parallelogram. Alright, on this one, let's see, it doesn't look like any of the sides are parallel to any of the others. It doesn't look like any of them are even the same length. So really this is just a quadrilateral. That's as specific as a name, as specific a name as I can get. And this one, it looks like it's going to be a rectangle. Again, I'm trying to give the most specific name I can. I could call it a parallelogram, I could call it a quadrilateral, those are accurate, but more specifically it is a rectangle.